If you're dealing with dates, let me show you a really useful quick trick for Excel that will hopefully help you. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach, here sharing tips and tricks for your everyday software to help make life just that little bit easier. Here I am in Excel, and what I've got is the days of the week and the months of the year listed. Now, all I need to do to get the rest of my week is actually just select the date that I've already typed in and use the black fill handle in the bottom right hand corner of the cell to simply click and drag, and I can drag it 7 days and get the whole week. Now if I want to extend it, all I need to do is keep dragging. It'll simply just repeat as often as I want. I can do that not only with the full word, Monday, but I can do that with the abbreviation and get the exact same thing. You'll notice based on the one that I've selected, it copies or repeats the same information. Not only can I do that for the days of the week, but I've got that for the months of the year as well, and I can drag that all the way through. And again, I've got it for the smaller version, the shortened version for Jan. Just so you can see, I've also typed it in lowercase because as a touch typist, it's a habit to always capitalise things now, but it follows whatever formatting you've put in. Not only that, but although I've started at the beginning, one of the really nice things here is that you can start whatever. So it's currently November, and if I want to go from now for the next X months, I can simply click and drag from the starting month in this example and simply drag it through. It'll keep doing that for me. I don't need to do anything, it's completely automatic. I hope you found this tip useful. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you'd like to see anything else. Other than that, I will see you next time.